Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Public EV Charging Station UK. Start by checking your vehicle connector and registering with at least one charging network app. Next, reserve a charger if possible and plan charging stops around trips. Always confirm charger availability and follow site rules. Keep a payment method ready and know charging speeds so you can estimate wait and charge times efficiently. When you arrive at a public charger, position your vehicle so the cable reaches comfortably and the bay is unobstructed. Authenticate using the app, RFID card, or contactless payment and follow prompts to begin charging. Monitor charging progress via the app and unplug only after the session ends or you reach your target charge. Remember to tidy the cable and avoid occupying the bay longer than necessary to respect other drivers. If you're finding this guide useful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brings your space to life with great sound and voice control, and it also makes hands-free route checks while charging much easier. I'll leave a link and deals in the description so you can pick one up if you want. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Understand how charging costs work so you can choose the fastest or cheapest option for each trip. Watch for idle or overstay fees and follow local bay rules to avoid fines and inconvenience. If a charger is faulty, report it through the app to help maintain the network. Keep cables tidy, avoid parking without charging, and be considerate at popular locations during peak times to make charging easier for everyone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.